Hey everyone! Today we are going to be visiting Asia. And guess what? You're coming with us. Right, so we're having a bit of a nightmare trying to be able to get a ticket to get the ferry. We've bought an Istanbul card, but I have no idea if it's got enough money on. It says it needs activating. So, yeah, wish us luck. Crisis averted. We're now heading to the ferry across. We had to have our cards registered against our passports and stuff like that, but that's all sorted now, so we're going. Okay, so we're on the ferry and we're about to head across, and I'm going to get a few clips for you to see along the way. Okay, so some good news, we're now in Asia. Bad news, we got the wrong ferry, so now we're gonna have to find a way to get to Kadikoy, where we're sort of heading, find some food and just have a little walk around. So, well, it's a hell of a journey, let's go. So we're just stopping for tea so we can regroup to find out how to get where we need to go. So we're going to look at probably getting an Uber or a bus. But we've stopped in this really cool place for a cup of tea. Check out how beautiful it is. Also, the most beautiful sinks in any restaurant toilet ever. The tea is always gone, always gone, always gone. Okay, so the restaurant we found is an Egyptian vegan restaurant, so let's show you what it looks like. The taxi ride here was a bit crazy. The Uber driver was on his phone and everything else, but you know, he got us here safe. been defeated. Okay, so we've just left that amazing Egyptian restaurant. The food was definitely the best food I've had so far on all of these travels since September, which is a big statement, and a big statement that is 100% true. Now, every single little thing that they had there was thought out. All the ingredients, they made the effort to source them to be the best, and it was still pretty cheap. So that's incredible, and they were so nice. The gentleman who served us, it's his wife who cooks everything from scratch, and definitely all the compliments to her, because she is incredible. So thank you, thank you, thank you for the best food and the best service. Thanks again. Let's go. Hello, what's your name? What is your name? Is your name Street Cat? Or is your name Meow Meow? Are you ignoring me now so I go away? You ignore me so I go away? Okay, I'll go the way you're looking, because I think that's your way of saying F off. So thank you so much and see you soon.
I hope not.
Okay, so we've just been to the loo down by the seaside, which is really nice. It's a nice little park down here. We're going to have a little wander around some of the streets here as well, because they're supposed to be particularly nice. So yeah, let's continue. The Bethon! You're vegan. The world's most dangerous bollards for the road. How many people would have hit their shins on these things? Right, so we've just had a little walk around and we're heading back now for the ferry back across. Let's hope we get the right one this time, eh? Let's go. So we can't go anywhere without having tea. We're on the ferry going across and we decided to have a tea too. Why not, eh? And another tea now. Okay, we're now back in Europe. We're going to head back now, walking up. I'll show you what we see, but I'm going to keep you with us until we call it a day. So, see you in a minute. Just bought myself some 1 million aftershaves, but it's an alcohol-free one, 100% natural oil. Apparently this small little thing will last 6 months, so I'm looking forward to that. Obviously it's lightweight and it smells incredible, so I'm happy with that. As always, we've got our complimentary tea, which is really yummy, and we've even been offered some Turkish delight, so I'm going to have a little piece of that, I think. How good does that look? Amazing. Right, we're going to eat that and then we're going to head off. Hello. Oh, you like a bum scratch? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we may have decided to stop for tea on the way back, and yeah, we're only a couple of minutes away from the hotel, so we're stopping for a mint tea. It's the last night, so we may as well, and it's in the place where we've been coming since we first came, so let's have tea. Hey everyone, so we're back from an amazing day to Asia. How mad does that sound? We spent a day in Asia. So anyway, we had a really nice sort of ferry ride there and back. We had a really nice sort of, I guess, exploration around some of the streets of Kadakoi, which was on the Asian side. We obviously went to the wrong ferry station when we first got over there, so we had to get an Uber all the way to Kadakoi, but it was only quite cheap anyway, sort of £3 or £4 I think. And yeah, the food we had earlier was incredible. I can't tell you, if you go to Turkey, make sure you go to Kadakoi area and go to that restaurant. I would have shown you what it was earlier, so make sure you check it out. Honestly, it's so good. And if you've enjoyed this, please like and comment and share it. If you like it and you think other people will, please share it and get them to come over and follow and subscribe to me, because every single new subscription gets me closer to the goal. Every single view gets me closer to the goal. Because remember, when I get to that monetization stage, I am going to be donating more than 50% of any ad revenues to tree planting, environmental projects, as well as some other sort of for good projects too. And in the meantime, I'm still doing a tree getting planted for every single subscriber or follower, depending on what platform you're watching this on. And that's out of my own pocket, because planting trees is so important in our fight against climate change. It helps with biodiversity loss, and it's also really good for preventing desertification. It helps bring back the rains. Planting trees is amazing. So even if you don't do it with me, you don't subscribe, do it. And I'm going to let you go. So don't forget to look after yourself and our beautiful planet. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.